today's a scorcher.
Du. Komm. Herzlich willkommen.
Greetings. I'm Hein.
I'm Udo.
Aha.
Ebenfalls.
Where is it you're from?
God.
Ah, right.
Long.
What
Exact.
are you doing in Kuttenberg?
Earning Geld.
Hulls?
Holz.
You bring wood here?
Ja. But not
I didn't expect to meet a German.
there. You-
Do you know a...
Ein gut. Ah, ja.
Ah, I think it's about time you headed home, Goodman.
Pa. Ho.
We're about to close the place. You should go home. I'm keeping an eye on things here, and I'd hate to get in trouble. Understand?
Ah, so. You watching here. Naja.
Don't worry. We're open again.
Ja, ja. Und
What's that? You think so? You're just saying.
zicke, zacke, zicke, zacke. Hoi, hoi, hoi. Prost! Ich bin drunk. Kuttenberg. Kuttenberg. What a lovely city. Zicke, zacke, zicke, zacke. Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Greetings.
Kuttenberg. 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 What a lovely city. Brave Köter. Ganz brav. Ich bin drunk. Love Kuttenberg.
Aye, come here.
Zicke, zacke, zicke, zacke. Hoi, hoi, hoi. Ein Prosit, ein Prosit.
All right, meine Freunde.
What's going on here?
He wanted to rob me.
I can see that. I think you should go.
There.
What is it you did as a spy?
Mostly I was standing guard in front of that palace, you know, like... I was watching for who was going in and out.